Susunod sa Kamusta Ka? Bagong Pilipinas.
Ano bang difference ng health sa wellness?
Spirituality is service.
Yes.
We work so hard for money and then hindi pa rin kasi si Judith tsaka si Jonah nandyan pa rin waving tapos ending wala nang natitira.
Physical, occupational, social, intellectual, emotional, and spiritual. No? So these are the different dimensions of wellness that we should develop in our people so that we can build a well nation. You know?
The mental health is really having some kind of chaotic understanding na
It's time na magkaroon tayo ng parenting workshops.
Samahan sina Marlene Crag, Rina Tolentino at Conrad Ferreras sa isang talakayang pangkalusugan, pangkabuhayan at makabayan para sa isang bagong Pilipinas. Kamusta ka? Bagong Pilipinas!